So this is a 2013 Toyota Prius. It's at 131,717 miles and the check engine light just came on. So I'm gonna go do some investigation work, see what's going on. Got the tool here. Gonna check the reading and see what's going on. Okay, so it's a P0171 System 2 Lean Bank 1. I'll go Google and see what that means. So I looked it up and it says for this, give it a try with replacing the air filter and cleaning the airflow meter. Looking through my records, looks like I did the air filter at 66,000 miles. Did it again at 82,000 miles, but I haven't done it since. So it's been 50,000 miles since I last did the air filters. Well, here you can see the old filter. It's pretty dirty in there, and side by side with a new filter. So we'll see if that helps. I'll also go ahead and clean out the MAF, mass airflow sensor, and see if that helps. And then we'll reset the codes and I'll check back in a week or so and see if that helped. So here's the mass airflow sensor. Can't really tell if it's dirty or not. Just go ahead and clean it and see how that goes. I don't want to have to replace it quite yet. But if you want to know how to do that, I'll link the instructions in a video in the description. You can take a look at that. But we'll give this a try. We'll see what happens. So now that I replaced the air filter and cleaned the mass airflow sensor, I'm gonna go in here and erase the code. Yes. And that should be it for now. We'll see if in a week this check engine light stays off. After I drove the Prius around for about 50 miles, I was driving along and suddenly I heard a pop, a little bit of smoke, and then the hybrid warning came on and it said to pull over. So I went ahead and pulled over. The car wouldn't start anymore, so I had it towed home. The next day, we took apart the airbox and took a look because I saw on YouTube a lot of people saying like some hoses might pop off or whatever, and here's what we found.
I wonder if there's a hose right here too.
Oh, was this one?
See, you can't see that shit.
This one came off on its own?
Yeah, that one's off too.
So there's two different hoses that fell off?
Yeah, so we'll friggin' clamp them up, and more than likely we'll probably have to do some work to the PCV system eventually.
Oh, okay.
So first things first, get them on there and see if it all starts back up.
Okay, got it, thanks. So after we reconnected those two hoses, the car started up just fine after we cleared all the alerts, and it's driving now, but we feel that we probably have to change out the PCV valve. And since I'm in there, I'm just going to go ahead and do the water pump, the thermostat, and whatever else I can think of and just be done with it. But definitely, I can't just leave the hoses on because whatever caused the hose to pop off is going to do it again. So most likely, I think it's the PCV valve. I can't think of anything else. Probably clean out the throttle body too. So the error I got when I had the hoses pop off was a P3190. And currently that error is gone. I've been driving the car around for about 20-30 miles and no engine warning lights have come back since then. So went ahead and changed out the PCV valve. It's a little stuck. It's supposed to move around quite a little bit more than that. So got that changed out. While I was in there, we got the manifold gasket changed out. Got a new water pump. So this is the old one. And also got a new thermostat. Since we're already doing the water pump, might as well do it all. And it took one jug and a little bit of a second jug to do all the new coolant. So hopefully this will fix the issue, and I'll report back after I put maybe 1,000 miles on it and see what happens. So it's been 900 miles, probably 950 since this car was fixed. As you can see, there's no more check engine light. Also got the TPMS sensor replaced, and it looks like we're good to go. It's been like 8-9 days, and no more check engine light. I checked the hoses, they're not popping off. Looks like the PCV valve replacement worked, and I haven't gotten any P017 or whatever P3190 code since then. I think it was P0171 and P3190, and car's running good. I haven't had any problems since. I replaced the water pump and the thermostat just in case. That way, if it fails, I don't have to redo any of this stuff, since I had to remove the manifold anyways. Might as well just replace those things, and we're good to go. So looks like issue is resolved. If it does fail in the future, I'll put it in the description below what happened, but for now looks like we're good to go. So hope this helps you diagnose your issue if you got these two error codes.